Used to be a lot of auto parts store. Now I think that's the last one. Napa. There's the eatery, Nut Belly, where you can get the gluten-free pizza, and Cork Tree, Sushi Terry. That used to be Sea Strand, Karate, Sushi Terry. What that used to be? The Exception. They started one in Santa Barbara on State Street next to the Granada Theater. It used to be just a very popular place. Now long gone. Homestead Antiques, Seaside. Now the Worker Bee Cafe, a long time ago, this was called Sarge's. And my dad was a friend of a lady who I believe started it up. Her name was Dorothy Schlatter, who, nobody would know who she was. She died around 2001 in her 90s, but she was very entrepreneurial, very creative lady. Okay, now we're at Carpinteria and Linden, and I'm gonna head into the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf and wrap this thing up. Oh gosh, I skipped this restaurant. Oh yeah, there's some very popular places. Maybe I have to keep going. Okay, this is Giovanni's house in this nice Spanish style building. Mechanics Bank, Jack's Bistro, that's where I'm heading. Got Pete's Coffee there. And we're almost done here. Yeah, the Rincon Brewery is very popular, very standing room only. I think I ate there once. I don't drink anymore, so that doesn't appeal to me, the drinking, but the food was good. Okay, there's a Union gas station. I believe it's the only gas station that's on the ocean side or the south side of the freeway. They got propane here. Prices are a little higher than on the other side. And there's Teddy's, another popular place. Heritage. Heritage used to be Rincon Cycle, and he'd been there for many years. Dennis, big tall guy. I think he had 20 years or more here, now gone. And then the Lucky Llama, that came in about, 7 years ago, I'm guessing. Very popular with bicyclists and tourists. And a little kind of a produce stand. I don't know their hours, but a friend of mine just loves going there. And down the road is the library, public library, bookstore, and then there's a Foster's Freeze there. Okay, seriously, I'm gonna stop. Oh, can't stop. Gotta include this Ward Home Torrey Pine, 1883.